Okay guys, if you have water running in your toilet, small or large, sometimes what it can be is the flapper right here. These rubber seals over time wear out, or silicone seals wear out over time. So what you're gonna need is a new one. And then these have two sizes. So if you have a newer home, most likely you're gonna have a 2-inch flapper. And then some of the houses have the 3-inch. In my case, I have the 3-inch flapper. So before you order these, just make sure that you order the right size. So the way you get these out is they are just clips that clip onto these little plastic pieces that are sticking out of this pipe right here. So what I basically do is just try to sneak in underneath this little piece and then try to push it up. And I'm trying to be careful not to break the little plastic piece that is attached to. So I don't know if there's a special tool, but for just to do this one, I don't think I'm gonna try to invest in a tool for this. So hold on a second guys, I'm gonna pause the video, and then once I have it out, I can show you how it attaches onto that. All right guys, so I was able to get it out. So if you see, this hooks basically clip onto the plastic piece that you see right there. Let me see if I can, I'm gonna try to zoom in. So this little plastic piece right here, what it clamps onto right there. So basically what I did was sneak my finger underneath one of these and then push it up, and then I was able to get it out. And then so the newer ones, or the replacement ones that they make are pretty easy because they're a lot more flexible, if you see. So for these, all you have to do is slip them on from here, right here. You can just simply slip them on from here, right here, on both sides, and then you can adjust your string according to how much lag you want on your string. I'm gonna pause the video one more time. Once I have it installed, then I can show you guys. All right guys, so here's how you put these new replacements on. So basically you're gonna take this right here and you're gonna simply just, you see right there, I'll do it again. So you're gonna twist your, I'm sorry it's not really clear, but let me see if I can just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so you basically twist this and then just slip it on, and then do the same thing on the other side. And I really like the replacements they make. They're really flexible, so it's easier to put them on and take them off next time, versus the plastic ones were kind of difficult on the hand. I guess you could take a wrench if you have, assuming everyone has a wrench, and then you can just grab onto the plastic with the wrench, making sure not to put too much pressure on the plastic piece because you don't want to break it, right? So, and then basically that part is done. So what I need to do next is just measure how much I need for how much of the chain I need for my, sorry to move the camera so much, but I'm gonna measure how much chain I need and how much lag I should keep. And then based on that, I'm just gonna, this setting right here, I'm gonna change that and then So I'm gonna pause the video one more time, and then once I have it done, I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so here it is. I have the chain connected to the leveler. So as you can see, there's a very slight lag in the chain. You do want that, because if it's very tight, then you may have the flap slightly lifted. That means you will have water leaking constantly, so you do want that, so it will shut all the way down. And then one thing I want to point out is, if you get this Gerber product right here, a lot of people on Amazon were complaining that these chain within 3 days were rusted. So if you do end up getting this one and then watching the video, I would recommend that you take the chain from your old one and then put it on. So in my case, I'm gonna keep this chain, and I'm just gonna throw this one away, because the chain here has been used for a very long time and has no rust in it. So why not use it, reuse it, right? Good for the environment too. So I'm gonna keep this chain, and we'll see if mine does rust. Then I'll just change out the chain, which should be pretty easy to do. All right, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you see new videos as soon as I post them. Thank you.